In this video, you'll learn how to create a QR code in Inkscape. Let's say we have this design, and we want to place a QR code here, linking to our YouTube channel. There are many online platforms for generating QR codes, but they have limitations. Whereas, Inkscape offers a built-in extension to create QR codes without any scan limits, expiration, or third-party tracking, giving you full control and privacy. To create one, go to the Extensions menu, then Render, then Barcode/QR code, and select QR code. In the text field, type the content of the QR code, which in our case is the channel link. Keep the other settings as they are, as we don't need any changes, and click Apply. As you can see, our QR code is generated. By default, it is a group of two objects, one is the background, and the other is the QR code itself. We don't need the background, so we will ungroup it and delete it. Now, you can place the QR code in your design and transform it as needed. You can also change the fill color of the QR code to any custom color, like this.